In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off location on Google Chrome. If you'd like websites to stop asking where you are or tracking your physical whereabouts, this quick walkthrough will lock things down. Chrome can use your device's location, nearby Wi-Fi, and other signals to estimate where you're browsing from. That can be helpful for maps or local results, but you're in control, and turning it off is simple. Start by opening Chrome and looking at the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the menu and choose Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. This is the place where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to do, from showing notifications to accessing your camera and, in our case, location. Scroll to the section labeled Permissions and select Location. You're now on the page that controls which sites, if any, can see where you are. To stop all tracking in Chrome, choose the option that says Don't allow sites to see your location. Once this is set, Chrome will block location requests automatically. Effectively, it's like turning off GPS for every website you visit in this browser. Most sites will either use a very rough estimate based on your IP address or simply proceed without location at all. Keep in mind that some location-based features, like finding nearby stores, may be less precise or unavailable, which is expected with this setting. If you previously granted permission to specific sites, you can clean that up here too. Stay on the same location page, scroll down to the list of sites under Allowed, and click the trash can icon next to any site you want to remove. This clears the old permission so it no longer has access. The next time you visit that site, Chrome will follow your global setting. With blocking turned on, the request will be denied automatically. That's it. Your location in Chrome is now private and locked down. You can always return to this location page to review or change your preferences whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to browse with confidence knowing you've limited how much of your whereabouts the web can see.